Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Street Crypto here, back for another video. In today's video, I want to talk about Cryptocom Coin, or CRO, and give you guys a price prediction. So CRO is currently sitting at 81 USD cents, seeing around about a 10% decrease in the last 24 hours, and has a market cap of $20.4 billion. If you don't know what Crypto.com coin is, essentially it's the coin that runs on the exchange Crypto.com, and Crypto.com is a pretty big chain. It's a decentralized open source blockchain developed by Crypto.com Payment, and Crypto.com also has their own exchange for buying crypto. So Crypto.com Coin, or CRO, has seen a lot of growth in the last couple of weeks. If we just have a look at the 1 month chart, we can see that crypto started off November at around 20 cents and has now nearly done 5x, hitting a high of 97 cents just yesterday. And so it's seen some explosive growth. I'll get a little bit into why that happened a bit later, but CRO was recently listed on Coinbase, just a few weeks ago, in fact, and has seen a lot of increase in volume and attraction since then. The first thing I want to mention is the social sentiment around CRO right now. So after making a high-profile marketing stunt, CRO's marketing campaign seemed to pay off as its value continued to rise. So Crypto.com has signed a 20-year deal worth $700 million to name the formal Staples Center in Los Angeles. So essentially the Staples Center is a big sporting venue in LA, and this is where the Lakers play. And they've recently changed the name to Crypto.com Stadium, and this is huge because a lot of people are going to be seeing the Crypto.com logo, the Crypto.com sign, and it's really paid off in terms of their market cap and what's going next. So it also looks to cash in on the bull market, and it has formed a $100 million advertising campaign. Now this is with the Staples Center added, so it'll be nearly a $1 billion that they spent on advertising. So cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com is embarking on a global advertising campaign. Spokesperson told for the company that they have invested $100 million into the campaign, which encompasses more than 20 countries and will run for several months. So there's been a lot of hype around these ads that are coming out everywhere for pretty much everything related to Crypto.com. So that's one of the main reasons why we've seen such an explosive growth in the last couple of days and weeks for the CRO token. If we just have a look at this chart, I have to pull it up again, but just be a little bit careful, guys, because it's gone up really fast. If we just have a look at this upward trend line, we're respecting it really nicely. Now, we had a massive surge in volume. Obviously, this volume is just insane compared to even the start of November. So it's going to be a lot more volatile than it was just a few weeks ago. That's something you have to keep in mind, and there are going to be massive pullbacks coming. There's no doubt about it. There is no doubt that we are overextended. If we just have a look at MACD, obviously we got the cross here, and it looks like we might find support at the trend line. Now I would say that's the likely case for now, because CRO has done really well in the last couple of weeks. It looks like we're going to find support and at least get some green volume, or at least stay above the trend line, which is the hopeful outcome of the situation. And MACD looks like about to bottom out, at least for a little bit. Otherwise, if we don't find support at this trend line at around 80 cents or where we are right now, it looks likely that we'll test at least support towards 75 cents, possibly even lower at 70 cents. Now, that would be a nice area to pick up CRO, in my opinion. Obviously, you don't want to be buying at all-time highs near 95 cents. It's never good to FOMO in, especially when it's pumped nearly 500% in the last month. So just be a little bit careful when trading CRO. However, there is going to be an eventual breakdown coming, guys. There's no doubt about it. It's done really well based off marketing, Coinbase listing, just a bunch of things that have been really good for the CRO network and token. However, as fast as things come in crypto, it's as fast as they go, really. Now, I don't think it's going to come back down to somewhere near 20 cents within the next couple of weeks. I think that finding support at a decent level at somewhere between 70 cents to 80 cents is a good area of investment. However, it just looks likely that breaking this support at 75 cents would see us test at least 67 cents and then eventually around 58 cents. I think Crow will be back to 50 cents in a couple of weeks. Now, the reason I say that is because there are going to be people who are going to be taking massive profits. It's really paid off, this advertising campaign for Crypto.com, and I think they're going to realize that the nature of their upward trend in their token isn't going to last forever. So even they could be taking profits on you guys. I would just say that $1 is coming very, very soon. Now, I know I just said 50 cents will come soon, but I think before we hit that 50-cent point, I think $1 will come eventually. Now, it might not hit exactly $1. It was really, really close here, hitting around about 97 cents. However, I think we could, if we do find support at this trend line, we could form a double top, something like this, maybe even break past this double top and hit $1 or $1 or so, and then come back down towards support at 80 cents. However, I just think the dollar point is going to be a really, really big, not only psychological point of resistance, but also physically, because there are going to be many, many sell orders at $1, because the dollar is just a round even number where people who had been buying at 10 cents, 20 cents had been looking at taking most of their profit. So dollar is going to be really hard to overcome, but I think it will hit that just within a few days and then find support somewhere at 70 cents. We kind of want to see Crow exit a little bit of volume and just plateau for a little bit, see some consolidation, because that's going to build up for the next move really, really well. But that was just a quick video on Crypto.com Coin and the Crow network. If you guys want to check out any other cryptos, let me know down below, but be sure to follow me on Twitter for the latest updates on all cryptos and all of my TA calls, as well as my biggest gems. But I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace.